my name is Risa. Ever since I started my keto journey, salads became one of my go-to meals. With Fresh Express salad kits, my salads became even better and easier. All I have to do is add my favorite protein. It comes with everything else like the dressing, bacon, cheese, nuts, and more.
Hey, I'm Melissa. Being a mom to a young child doesn't afford us many opportunities or time for date nights, but I'm changing that today with Fresh Express salads. I'm going to be making the Fresh Express Bacon Caesar salad. Super excited of how easy all the ingredients are. It's already all put together and I don't have to really do much but add just a few little ingredients just to make it extra special for our date night.
Hello, I'm Rochelle. With Valentine's Day, I want to eat healthier, so I got this Fresh Express salad, and I'm going to be adding some stuff to it. Some beets, fresh pear, some apples, and strawberries. What's great about these kits, it has pretty much everything you need. You don't have to add too much to it. Looks so yummy and so fresh, so healthy. Don't forget about adding these little hearts I have over here that I had already stamped out. Okay, it's good.
Consistently, deliciously fresh.